okay. I was like, having your vibe. Oh, okay. Go shoot music video. Get you having your shit. And then Kalepasin. And then that's what's that.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I bought Tulambo shit just so short. Ah.
And then you choreograph and I found her. You choreograph and I found her corner lava food.
Yeah,
Fast value dance.
Oh
wow.
Much.
All right. And then the experience was nice. Was it good pay? Because I know at that time,
do people get paid for music videos?
Hey, come on, girl.
I didn't know.
Focus on that for any.
Well, I met a lot of
celebrities and people who are in the industry.
Who are in the industry. I met Utira Gokamba no Babes.
Okay.
And at some point Utira did want me to be part of his team. And then I don't know what happened. So I don't know. I'm not gonna indulge too much in it because now I'm a fake.
Exactly. But also and then you did that song Wahamba Gahle, and then you would you were focusing on your solo career and no looking back and asking for babes to take part in perform and about no saying just straight.
I was saying my zile, I was kind of like frustrated at some points.
Yeah.
You know, begin saying link and why you managing a sang nagi, WhatsApp and Plutik. I'm like, okay.
Yeah.
Let me just leave her.
Yeah. And then Wakubega and then Stelo comes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's Stelo Kintab. I was still working at a call center at that time. Actually ngafonela uGugwa. I'm like,
hey,
home and 11.
Kumnandi kube iGroovist. Othuli bafanele ogugwa, DJ Gugwa. Okay, guys, what's up, and welcome to On Point with Sandy, and a proud report to you by our popular studios. Today, I have none other than Uthuli Chesa Wazala Uthuli Wamkize, all the way from Umlazi. Hello and welcome, Thuli.
Hello, Sandy.
Welcome. It's been such a long time.
I mean, yeah.
Usukhulile.
Ayibo ngipakasa
ngane. Amavosho 20 sawashaya.
Hayibo kanjani? Awusakwazi nokuvuka cha.
Leyabo shaya dina usashaya.
Sengiyabambelela.
Awe ma. Yabona uma asigugu ithini sisho?
Hayibo gugu othandayo.
Okay.
Manje ngiyabuyela nje kwi-group. Ngayimisela. Ama-2K
awazilutho. Usajitha.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Uthuli, all the way from Umlazi, has been in the industry for a while. As we in 2018, she has quite a big and experienced profile. You've worked with quite a number of people. Where you started off as a dancer for Babe Sodumo, and then you danced. You were doing shows with her. You were featured in a few music videos. Artists.
Ngazalelwa eMlazi Gazette, Mafezini. And so I started dancing as a backup dancer at Babes in 2016, I think. And we did demo tours nabo, and it was all fun and stuff. Until studio again. I think ngihamba noMadano the first time. Studio ka DJ Nko. On this other track. I think I caught another track with it in. I was able as Uncle, I think live was the so fuck yeah. So it was that, and then Katuzo also phone some other time. It's an early beat. Tool So he was like, okay, Thuli, are you available to come to studio? I think studio, we did the Thuli track. And to my surprise, I didn't think it was going to be a big song. It was big for me because it was something that I didn't think I could do.
It was one of my favorite songs. I remember whenever I would take videos of you. I mean, videos for you.
Yeah, yes,
post
I
what's
remember.
happening.
I remember you used to do that.
Yeah.
So that was the beginning of my music journey, hey. And thereafter, it's like he contacts me no babes manje, and she's not calling me. Because I'm starting I'm assuming.
Yeah, no, because definitely
I'm
it is that. Because I mean, I wouldn't say it's bad, but it's also bad for you as well. Because I mean, you can't be the Beyonce of everything. Ngaso sonke isikhathi umuntu ufana uthi mayeqalela into yakhe nawe umkhombisa ukuthi okay, since yena be junior yakho, you should be proud ukuthi okay, but this person is standing for themselves.
I'm not sure how she took it, but
yeah,
because she later then after the track started booming,
yeah,
she just with Sanjay contactability mina naye where say my other female dancers and just so good and I'm like, okay, what did I do?
Oh my gosh.
Okay, and
the mistake Yako was accepting that small gig that Madanon had given you in studio.
DJ Go actually.
DJ Go.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, can we go back to Dancing for Babes Odum? How did you come about being selected to dance? Go into an audition, Noma?
No, it wasn't auditions. We were actually buddies before she popped.
Nekruva nonke.
Sekruva sonke, Kakasini.
Yeah.
Spank.
Yeah.
So we were groovy friends.
Yes.
That's groovy buddies.
Yeah.
We were not like best friends.
Yeah.
Per se.
But you got together.
You know.
Yeah.
We inside.
Yeah.
We there.
Yeah.
So that's how we got to I got to become a dancer.
And then
because she called me and she said, "Girl, where you at? There's a space here for dancer. Can you come over?" And then it was like that.
And then nani ke phela nibanga nomona ukuthi hayibo umuntu obesgroova naye indaba sohamba so kube any support la khombisa umsupport. Of which I would have thought I would like to think ukuthi nawe that's what you would have expected kuyena. Maybe mhlambe if she had mhlambe aqhubeka wakubhuka or aqhubeke akhombise ukusupport mhlambe hambe layo ama shows. Maybe you would be somewhere far. We don't know.
Yeah, you could say that, but she's also not eligible to do it. As much as I might feel good, she doesn't really owe me anything.
She doesn't.
But kukhona nalokho ukuthi eish kodwa ubheshe face asakwazi ngifaka nje kancane face kodwa face.
Ileyo nto leyo yazi ukuthi when speaking about abantu abaningi abazwana nabantu aba powerful. Whether mostly in the industry, whether DJing or more vocals, but let's be about the same thing. But you hardly ever find someone also who would sing your praises and want you to taksondezela kanje, yabo.
Yeah.
Ungasho ukuthi ukusebenza no babes ukuvulele mapha amathuba nje.
Well, I met a lot of celebrities
and people who are in the industry
who are in the industry. I met Utira Gokamba no babes.
Okay.
And at some point Utira did want me to be part of his team, and then I don't know what happened. So I don't know. I'm not gonna indulge too much in it because
but also
now I'm affected.
Exactly. But also for the fact that you got to meet and nabantu abafana njengotira babona umsebenzi wakho, that's also a thing on its own.
Yeah.
Okay, I remember you did a music video for another artist, a female artist. Remind me. Where you were dancing.
Oh, it was Tello.
Not Tello.
Which one?
Where you were dancing elwandle, evunulile.
Was it not Unobenga lo Professor?
Yes.
Unobenga Professor. I was also part of that music video.
Yeah. And then how did Wangfianjan lab?
Well, Professor is my neighbor.
Okay.
Sihlala sonke eMlazi.
So when location lakho nibaningi abakhamba ngalapha.
Khona yabona sekhaya. It's me. Uklep from Ekalao. Professor. well, ngasho ukuthi no character because they're abandawonye.
Ngumngane
And
wakho
then-
phela character.
Madanoni. Who else futhi olaphana? Okhona umJ waSibisi. Nabe hlala khona ngasekhaya lo
Ukhozi.
Yes.
Oh wow. So
Nabe ngasekhaya.
yabo,
So
it's
it
always
was like
nice
an
to tell
island in Chenyana.
exactly and
Enabantu
abantu abaningi who are
abaningi.
in the industry. Would you say ukuthi now it comes to an advantage when
Not that much.
ukuthi mhlawumbe nobhuti abadala in the industry?
No,
And then
they
do they play a role mhlawumbe ukuthi if you need something ekanjena mhlawumbe bazokusiza lana into ekanjena mhlawumbe bona bakwazi ukuthi kuvuleke khona?
No, they've taught me a couple of things about music,
Mhm.
but they haven't spoon-fed me or just ukuthi bangifakele umuntu ukuthi hambe kulo uyowenza into ukuthi
Yeah.
for free or whatever.
Mhm.
It was just advising me on how to present myself and how the music industry injani
Yeah.
and stuff like that.
Mhm.
Nothing ukuthi siyakuphusha ke manje.
Oh, okay.
Yabo.
Okay. And then go back to getting to work with the professor in that music video.
Yeah, it was when kahle I came to studio. I didn't even know the music video. They were shooting a music video that day. So when I came to studio, I saw a lot of people bengijwayele ukufika e-studio nje ngizovakasha ngizovibe.
Sikephi studio?
Khona ngasekhaya. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Is it still there?
It's still there.
Okay.
But it's not a vibey environment anymore. It's a work environment.
Okay.
Uzosebenza,
Okay.
sazile ukuzovibe if you're there.
Okay.
Yabo. So at first it was like, okay, I was like, having your vibe. Oh, okay. Go shoot music video. Gijima ngihambe ngiyoshintsha. And then khale ebhasini. And then that's what's that.
Yeah,
Yabo.
yeah.
So hayibo thula mboshintsha so shooter. Nginaki lo.
And then
But I used to love
choreograph
izinto.
nayifunda khona lapha futhi.
Yeah,
Fast vele uyadansa,
kuyinto encane. Yabo.
Oh
Nothing
wow.
much.
All right. And then the experience was nice. Was it good pay? Because I know at that time, phela ezinye izinto benihlezi mfethu nithathwe.
Do people get paid for music videos?
Hayibo, hey, come on, girl.
didn't know.
Ufuna uzodatha kangaka for ini? The music
You know,
videos, the music videos on
Like, we
YouTube.
were told it's for exposure.
Oh my God.
I think
And ujabulela ukuba ku-music video now.
yabona ubusafika kwi-industry.
Yeah.
Any little publicity is actually good for you when ubona ngathi uthi I'm
It
getting
is, as
somewhere.
much as it's
I'm
good for
getting
you,
somewhere.
at least kodwa mhlawumbe they need to meet you halfway. Mhlawumbe bathi oh no, we have this. Yabo. Okay, did they give you transport going home?
We had transport.
Imoto zazikho
Zazikhona imoto. But
then
whoever
bazo-
was there wagodukiswa. Even the makeup artist.
Yeah.
Makeup
Kaqashwe makeup artist kodwa ngaqashwe dance. Imagine. So imagine about these things. Kade nandlala abantu thuli. Nathi kodwa kade sadlala abantu. And then the song yaduma, DJ Nkona, soundtrack yozalo. Hey,
Hey.
ntombazane.
Imagine njalo bekudlala uzalo kuthiwa hayi bothuli hayi le ngoma yakho nayi le ngoma yakho. I'm like
Yes.
kodwa bakwethu because phela if bomngabe usafika ku-industry you have so little knowledge on how everything works yabo, and you can't blame anybody for that yabo. So if someone does exploit you uvele uronke lo muntu lo ngo-exploiter, but now you need to be well informed on how things work.
That is why people need to stay in school.
You know.
And actually, if you want to be in the same industry, take your time and study and study and study, and also learn about the industry behind the scenes before Zamu be a star. Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, I didn't know much about Lezinto Zoma royalty.
Okay, when you were
thing.
featured with Ngomati Jenko, was you SLC code yakho as an artist?
No, wengenayo.
Okay, so did you get anything from that?
I think I got ngale nkathi sengirejistile because ngakhona la ngabona khona ngithola imali as
Okay.
reference.
Okay,
Kusama.
so also registered.
Yeah, ngase ngirejistile after, but I think I used to some by collector even lama airplays abangakaze bakhokhele wona.
Angazi ukuthi I'm
I
not
think
sure.
isebenza kanjalo.
Or wayeregister ngani? Wayeregister ngo
Under him phela.
Or under him, and then
Yeah.
what's featuring Thuli?
Yeah, featuring Thuli and khona intombazane sisinayo laphayana on the song.
Okay. So at least you did make something. So
Yeah.
as he was busy performing the song in Darwin Zukjabula, were you also performing with him?
Not okay. I've performed with him I think about 5 times or something. The rest nje basuka amagig nje ngihlanganisela yona because he said
Okay.
I must feel free to.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, at least he did say that, yabo. Amanye they become very selfish. Uthothe uzakuthetha amagig amakhulu yedwa. Yena namagig uyahamba yedwa all the time.
Well, no, njengoba ngisho ukuthi mhlambe awu5 mina ngingahamba nayo naye.
Yeah.
Yabo.
That's also a mistake that most DJs make. Ukuthi, I mean, people started calling out to Uncle Waffles for not including the person or one of vocals where what even performing. I mean, that would not cost much. I mean, you saying you say no hamba no muntu kanje, you should say that. Very obviously, they know you're a DJ. I'll see you're a vocalist, so you should at least travel with the person ohamba naye khona naye wazi ngani ukuthi yena uzomeet abanye abantu abazomenza ukuthi abe ngcono or uzothola that little exposure engamleadela somewhere else, yabo. And then you did that song kwahamba kahle, and then you were you were focusing on your solo career, no looking back and asking for babes ukuthi akuphathe mhlawumbe ukuthi uzoperforma naye uba noma wesekumazile nje straight.
I was saying I was kind of like frustrated at some points.
Yeah.
Begin sending ngane bakithi why manje ngasanginakile bangithi ngam WhatsApp angibluthike. I'm like, okay.
Yeah.
Let me just leave her.
Yeah. And then waqhubeka and then Sithelo comes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's Sithelo indaba. I was still working at a call center at that time. Actually ngafonela uGugwa. Engibuza ukuthi ngephi, I'm like,
hey,
home and all 11
kumnandi kube i-groovist othuli bafanele ogugwa o-DJ Gugwa. All
11 ebusuku, and I'm thinking, Aibo, ngiyavuka mina, I'm going to work in the morning. It's like, Aibo, it's only going to take like a couple of minutes. In fact, as we need you in this track. I'm like, okay, I didn't even know Sithelo gave me that. Because I'm not really active on Instagram, what. I didn't even
not
know
many people knew her. Only abantu aba social media savvy nabathanda social media babemazi at that time. Wengakabi umeya yeTheku.
Njengoba seyimeya.
Yeah.
Yes, girl. So yeah, ngitshela ukuthi mina bale student dance. Kanti they taking me to studio saGugwa. Ngifica hayibo khona ukotini wobani studio nje kugcwele. Now lo girl abawuthula oyedwa phuza shampoo. I'm like, okay.
Yes.
What's happening here?
Okay, who was the second girl?
And I think
Siswag.
I think I was there. I think I was there because
they used to travel together at that time. Yes. Yeah, around that time they used to travel together. Yeah.
So abangisi ngiyafika laphana, they make me listen to the track and ukopi sibesefakile. And that's no, Thuli, we need a little feel or uzama ukubhala something. And I'm like, am I going to make it in time? I will shy stiff like kancane. I'm like, I won't lie and ngizoxosha emsebenzini. And shy stiff, that's okay. They gave me about 30 minutes or so.
Yeah.
If not less. So I came up with the hook. And then ngase ngayifaka lo hook. So I know uyavaya. Okay, ukapisa uzongena le iqala le. Thula ububhale enye into le. Ngithi mina hayibo we-just ngizofaka ihook kuphela. Yabo ka ukuthi nje it was that, and then ngagcina isihlangene ke ingoma ke. Kuyasake.
Wakhokhelwa for that.
U4.
Did you get paid for that?
No, I didn't get.
Also registered?
Ngase ngirejistile ke lapho.
Oh, at least.
Yeah.
Hayibo kodwa wazinganike uSamro wakhokhela imali ayenze ingomeni yasithelo.
I don't even know.
Because nje ungokushuthi nje okay.
I don't want to say anything that I'm not sure of.
Yeah.
So, so 4 manje. I need to go back home. Yabo. And then masibaya bangihambisa. Then ukotini benza ke ingoma yabe ilento eyona. Yabo.
And then as you
lento eyiyona.
Yes. And what I loved is that when Sithelo was going to perform ingoma wehamba nani. At some point you
yeah,
were on your TV.
Yeah,
I
yes,
loved that.
yeah.
Ngahamba ngaya kuloluzana Kumba Fire. What is it, Kumba Fire?
It was, I think you let him WhatsApp Foundation.
No, the one le Solundi. Is it
Yeah,
Kumba Fire?
I was wearing the Mutsepo
Yes,
t-shirt.
yes. You're performing with Sithelo.
Yeah.
Mangithi hayibo Tholi, hayibo Ulana. Sithelo.
Ngisawashaya amavosho ke la.
Yeah, wosadansa la, wosadubula ngawo. Because abantu babengamazi kahle kahle uSithelo. Only abantu, I mean, music industry babengamazi.
Yeah.
Wena wawunegala elikhudlwana kunaye in the music industry. So watravela naye, you did your TV nana. Waphelela kephi ke? Naqhubeka naxhumana wayekubiza mina amagig amakhulu. Behleze kubiza njalo.
Yeah, wayehleze ngibiza bethola ithuba, but with her, I think she moved on from the song quicker.
Yeah, I also think so.
I think she didn't like the gom.
They didn't allow the song. They didn't allow the song to uthi isabalale ngendlela naye abe there for the song as well.
Yeah, I think gom wasn't her original image.
Yeah, she's a commercial girl.
Yeah, she's a commercial girl. I think she Puma, and then was why Sky Wonder.
Was it Sky Wonder? Yeah, did the song Sky Wonder.
It was a beautiful song. Yeah,
it was a beautiful song as well. Because I know she has such a good heart.
No, she's a darling.
Kasi mina Sithelo suppose Savannah. It's Sandy Plaza. Ekhale le Savannah lapha eKumba Fest.
Yebo.
Wathi uKoti na hayi akasaphuza Sithelo. Sekulate manje akasaphuza.
And uKoti is so strict.
I love that.
Yeah, so kwaku right nje ukuhlala naye, she's open akapaqile, but she's accommodating if she needs to.
Yeah.
Have you ever tried?
Exactly. Yeah. Have you ever tried reaching out to her? Hey Sithelo, if ever you come down to Durban and go around gigging, can I come with you? Because guys isn't reaching out. It's not that umuntu ukuzibila akazilutho ngawo. So at least mhlawumbe akazi ngoba mhlawumbe akakulandeli na social media akazi. Mhlawumbe update uzame nawo uthi uyifake. Not that usumbangela isicefe.
Iyona
Everything
sabi because ngiyayibona. Well, not that I'm looking down upon myself.
Yeah.
I'm a character way too. At the end of the day, we're fun.
Yeah.
And she likes more funny things in life.
Yeah.
When I'm okay with some things in life.
Exactly.
Yeah, bo.
Yeah, but I honestly think if you were to reach out to her, is she still under management?
I doubt it.
You doubt it?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
Yeah, just maybe try to reach out to her. Like this is what I recently released. Maybe can you, because I'm sure she would love to hook you up. I mean, she would also be inspired. Again.
Yeah.
As people that used to work together before. You moved on from Sithelo. What was after?
After that, I did the feature no Zinaro. Lo win the year before last, best Kwaito.
Yes. Yes.
So I did a track with him on
that
album.
Oh, girl. I you should include that in your profile.
It's there.
Is it there?
It's there.
Oh, Utangbonang.
Uzinaro. I did a feature with him, and then Goodmany, Ameni. I did a feature with him.
Yes.
And which other track? And then
you
after
became a mother in between.
And then I became a mother. Oh, guys, I wanted to guys. Yo, and
I was like, why? And I was like, why? Why truly at this point? Because you were at the peak.
I mean, abafana
because ezinye izinto nami I blame ukuba pregnant because
it's my fault.
Mawubuka lana kodwa Nkosi yami ungadini usumdala asisho ukuthi wawuyiphutha sisho ukuthi wafika ngakalungeli uma wakwazi asisafuna ubona igama lakhe lile.
Yebo.
You fell pregnant.
I fell pregnant.
Yes.
Oh God. And then after, and people were just asking. I didn't tell people. Would say, some people couldn't see. I was good. I was good in hiding it.
You were good
I was good in hiding it. And I was people were just inboxing me. That's when inbox so print SA, the person that I'm actually working with now with most of my tracks.
I think
he's funding
me. Profile
he's funding most of my works.
Oh wow.
And he's from Eastern Cape, permanently.
Okay.
So most of the things we do are over the phone.
Technology is amazing. And
it's like, I've seen you a lot on TV. Can you do something?
Yeah.
At first I charged them. Future ile mali, I'm not gonna say. Future ile mali, and then mase mabuzo uzoyiplaga ngifuna ipercent engaka or what.
Ayazi language. Awufuna ukuphinde kalesiya.
Sengivina manje ukhola
yebo.
And this guy was like, okay, it's fine. He sent the deposits. And then he sent deposits, and then I go to studio. He liked what I did.
Yes.
And he sent balance. He even sent my studio time. I was like, okay.
Oh, wow.
This guy doesn't even know me.
What does he do?
He works for some company. I'm not sure.
Oh, okay. So no, he has a career.
He has a career.
Okay.
He has a career. And he does music just for fun.
Oh, okay.
But he wants to too much because he also worked with Uchus from AIF.
So it's a passion. A passion
he
for
loves
the industry.
Music, yeah.
All right.
So what's a loco, and I kept working with him with 3 other songs. I go Spotify, now on digital platforms.
Yes.
I'm a balance, Ichesa, Intaba, the new one.
Yes.
I love the new one.
Okay.
It just got me out of my character.
Yeah.
Because angithi singiyaphuma phela manje
yebo. Sis.
You know? I'm growing up.
Exactly.
I need to change.
Exactly. I love that. I love that you how fit.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's always nice. I think I was speaking about DJ Sindo this other time. Ngisho ukuthi ngiyamthanda indlela yena move with the times ngayo. It's always nice to also accommodate not just you but people around you.
Yeah.
Now abantu abakulandela career yakho asebe ngasekho egqomini manje asebenze to that type of music bayakwazi accommodate now with your recent music. DJ Sindo abantu ababemthanda kudala uthola ukuthi abazali babo batshela abanye abazali batshela izingane ukuthi DJ Sindo kanje nezingane ziyakwazi ukuthi zirelate ku DJ Sindo because she also plays igqomu which izingane zilandelayo.
Yeah.
So can you tell me about the change? Is this going to be like your only genre now?
No, I'm actually being versatile. I'm trying to figure out which sound is actually good for me at this moment. At this point in time.
Yeah.
Since I'm growing.
Yeah.
Because there are some things singing sakwazi ukuzenza.
Yeah.
Brenda, dance stage. I mean, like the legendary Brenda Vess.
Exactly.
We're talking about 2 different people.
Exactly.
I'm not saying that I can't be like her. But I think the industry is much more different and complicated now.
Exactly.
It's like funding. Money talks. If you have no money, music is a business.
Exactly.
They treating it as a business, and people don't look at talent anymore.
Exactly.
It's about une following gini, unayo ni mali.
Unayo look futhi. Uyabukeka njengestar.
And na look phela itinga laba.
Exactly.
And beke wafaka ifake kanye. Bazokudelinga njenge-volcano.
Vele. So can you tell me about you being a mother and influence yakho ukuthi okay, now you became a mother and then your career was at standstill. Would you advise ingane yakho ukuthi be kwi-entertainment industry, judging with the experiences that you've been through? Abantu bekunoka, being mistreated, being underpaid, being not paid, not being paid at all. Noma ungathi yes, ngayivumela ingane yami, but ngiyiguide throughout. Because when I'm sure if you had umuntu omdala who was guiding you ngendlela ekakumele ukuthi uguide ngayo, ngabe akwenzanga zonke lezi zinto. Of which goes back to the bigger brothers that you have abangakini. We're not reaching out to you to advise truly, are you getting your things right? Are you doing this? Are you doing this? Because I mean, uma nangasendaweni eyodwa, you play a huge role. Usually abantu engijwayele ukubamema la abantu abangasekhaya isikhathi esiningi that are doing exceptionally well in Nanda Duzome and Kwamashu. And I always make sure that ngifuna ukunakekela abantu bangasekhaya because I don't want them to go through the things engibona zenzeka kulo nduzana. Yabo, ingane yakho wena would you ungayi-advise ukuthi ifike kwi-industry?
I wouldn't if I'm not financially stable.
Yes.
Because idinga imali.
Idinga imali.
Masibuyele nje maqinisweni idinga imali to knock on whatever door that you want to knock. I-PR idinga imali. Without PR, you're going to struggle.
Exactly.
Yabo. And but if kuyi-passion yakhe, I would consider ukuthi ayenze part-time, but abe ne-career.
Exactly.
Because you can't sing forever.
Exactly.
You can't sing forever. Nabotera nje bayenza nje just for fun. Utira une business like. Yeah, but he's got his side now. He's doing other
amazing.
Things. Events.
Yeah.
Ukotini is not just DJ. Une kish. He's doing other things. Attender. I don't even know what he's doing.
Yeah.
He's busy. But if you want to do music, do it as a stepping stone to doing another thing engaphezu kwalo.
Mawube nenhlanhla
waphopa. Uze mabe egcine engaphophanga azi kahle ukuthi une backup plan because you uzube relevant for 10 years.
True.
Khona la kwezinye indawo ungeusabiza khona ukuthi usitshela ngaloyo sekhona osendi manje. Hayibo sekhona
ithina la sokhona ama-blog amasha manje.
Uyabo sekhona ama-blog amasha.
Awusitshela ngosendi. Kade ayi-blog asekhona abantu aba-TikTok. Exactly.
I-art particularly music ihamba ngesikhathi. Kufana no-acting. I'm sure nako-acting
ihamba ngesikhathi manje kuthatha talent kuphela. If you have a following, they take you because you have numbers.
So talent really doesn't work much now. So they just take anyone.
Abantu laba udansa nabo
most of the time.
Oba usakhuluma nabo. Udansa nabo babes. Oba usakhuluma nabo.
Unonku ngisakhuluma naye.
Unonku
but lo wayithale impahla lethu. Yakubona inabameli wakhulu.
Awema wakephi konje?
Ose-Clermont.
Ose-Clermont.
Lo yene-tattoo la.
Lo mpofu.
Mpofu yene-tattoo la.
Yeah, ngiyamkhumbula. I have such a bad experience with her.
Why?
Actually, not just with her only. When you invited us, okay, so kwakulonjwa la Distraction Boys.
Yeah.
Live workshop.
Yeah.
And then because I was working under Dog for Distraction Boys, I invited you guys to come through.
Oh yes.
Neza no me nanje nan.
Or like free cocktails or wine or something. Yeah.
Sasuka and then I said, "Hayibo asambeni siye e-Reach."
Yeah.
And then we go to e-Reach. Sathi masifika khona. Kwafika kononkuna lapho ngaleso sikhathi kwasawuyena osahamba no babes. Babes wenishile ngalelo langa. Ngiyakhumbula. Wayehamba naye. Unonku. Ngafika mina sengidakiwe ngalala kanje. Unonku wathi ses vuka.
She was probably joking though. She's usually very sweet. She's very sweet.
Shemo namo nice ngifonela ethi mngani. Unjani awenze phela ama-gig lapha. Ngithi mina
yakhumbula sacela ama-gig. Sithi face awusikhulumele phela uSibanibani bese asifake la. Guys, why ningafakani vele?
Hayi ukuthi
ngoba phela imali iphuma kumasipala.
Hayi thina.
Ayiphumi kunini imali. Okay.
Hayibo. Mina nje bese mina ngenza igig nje.
Sit down. Kasingabisakhuluma lutho.
Bethi nje hayibo uthula ukhuluma kakhulu. Unonku usenzani manje?
She's married.
Oh, wow.
I'm not sure about career-wise, but she's married. The last time I checked, she's married.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Sawazi ukudansa for sure.
Mina okay mtetelenza okay no akasakwazi. Ukudansa how? As in dancing? Oh,
As
bengithi
a
usho ukudansa as in ugroove.
eh,
No, I'm not sure.
yeah,
Asagcina ukumitha naye.
umena awumelo ehlanye nengane.
Yeah,
Umewo DJ.
Lalela. No, she's not a DJ.
No, ngithi umewo DJ.
Oh, okay. Uzwile me akusimina girl.
Nek obaba usa in contact with them. Usakhuluma no babes? When last did you speak?
No, athi sagcina ukukhuluma. Oh, sazakhuluma unyaka oqala.
Kulonyaka?
Ngafuthi khona wayefonela uMadanoni. Ngidle kancane. Ngathi, babes, ngifuna ngakwenzani girl? Wathi hayibo lutho, ngenzanga lutho. Ngathi hayi no ngiza ngikucheck nje ngoba athi ngiyagcina because I was there na ku funeral kaMampintsha.
Oh, that's nice.
She ngalala khona futhi the day before kuzoba ulontuzana ngalala khona. Akatshengisanga nje ukuthi unenkinga nami. Kahle kahle mhlambe nje kwaphela nje lelo thando nje. I don't know.
Nanemsiza abukela ngale njengomuntu odansayo bese mhlawumbe kuyenzeka ukuthi ene kuyenzeka ukuthi umuntu abe i-stepping stone sakho mhlawumbe nanemsiza ngaleso sikhathi because ngiyakhumbula phela there was a time when she stopped having female dancers at all.
Namanje nje I think kunama-male dancers.
Yeah.
But I've got nothing against her.
Yeah.
So umuntu nomuntu nendlela yakhe yoku-operate. Mhlambe naye uthi she's not good for i-brand yami mhlambe. Mhlambe it's that khona ezinye izinto kufanele ungayithathi to heart and just make peace with it and try to make other means to
yabo. Ulontuzana ungona usakhuluma naye?
Besibonana, yes.
Niyakhuluma.
Yeah, siyakhuluma.
Wawuhlezi ungahlukani no character. Are you guys still friends?
Yeah, it's like a big bro.
Yeah.
It's like a big bro.
Oh, okay. So
abe khona nje futhi engekho kubo ka K.
Madanoni sezimbona every day. Uhlala kubo?
Uhlala kubo.
Oh.
Wayengibuza ngabantu manje let's come back.
No, ngiyakubuza phela abantu. Zokusefa. Okay, now Thuli 2024, 2025. We are here now.
Yeah.
What can people look forward to?
Okay. Like I said, I'm ukwenza to find a different genre engizoba comfortable ngayo.
Yeah.
Njengoba sengikhiphile intaba. Ngikhipheni on the 15th of September, I think.
Okay, yes.
Yeah, so it's all over the digital platforms.
Abantu bajwayele ukustreama, guys. Because you benefit from that. So
yes, I benefit from
that. So please, guys, ngicela ukuthi sijwayele ukuthi stream music. I mean, Spotify udlina kangakanani.
Yeah.
So sijwayeze nje ukuthi stream music. Singalokho sithi ungisendela, wenzeni. Because it's kahle thina esibulala ama-careers abantu bafowethu nodadewethu who are trying to make a name for themselves. Ungaqhubeka.
Yeah, and then probably next year around March, I'm looking on releasing another track just to test waters. I'm actually starting PR now in unis.
Oh my gosh, my friend, I'm so proud of you.
No, I'm tired of begging people. I want to do things myself now.
I'm so proud of you. Actually, sometimes you just need to take another route to see if you won't make it. Yeah. That is your calling. I mean, you knew about branding, you knew about PR, you knew about all these things, but you were into Gqom. It's just that you are not in the know. So I wish you the best of luck for that.
Thank you.
I wish you the best of luck.
So the reason why I started doing EPR is because in order to help myself and help others,
exactly.
What to do.
Exactly.
And if umuntu engathanda ukungisiza I can't ngilokhana ngithi ngabe kube wangisiza usibambani Yeah,
So
but
I must say, my friend, I'm definitely going to help you. I do a lot of stuff with different personalities throughout the year. Ngenza ama high school tours, ngenza in. So I'm definitely going to include you into kanjalo.
thank you.
I'm definitely going to include you into kanjalo just to make sure that now your face is out there, you are seen. Because also it also helps if people see you are doing something. You're not asking for a gig or you're not doing anything. Maybe just what are you busy with now? Oh no, I'm busy with this. I'm busy with this. Yabo. And for people, mhlambe, are you open for my collaborations and features?
Yes, I'm open for any features or collaborations as long as they have a plan for the song.
Yeah.
Indaba kwenza iy'ngoma ezizohlala e-studio igqilaza i-creativity lo into leyo ugcine nawe usuyidoubt ukuthi do I have the talent or I don't?
Yeah.
So rather, if you have a plan for a song, I'm more than willing to collaborate.
And then for bookings and social media?
On TikTok, Thuli Chesa.
Okay.
And then on Facebook, Thuli Chesa, that's THULLY.
Yes.
CHESAH.
Yes.
So yeah. And then Instagram, the same story.
Email.
Email thulichesa1@gmail.com.
And then cell number for bookings.
For bookings, not for funny business. 073 900 8675.
Okay, guys, make sure to book your girl Uthuli. She's currently studying PR. She's looking forward to collaborate. She's looking forward to work with artists. She's looking to feature. Let's stream her music on social media. On digital stores. Thank you so much on Point with Sandy and Uthuli. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.